Hi guys, this is my bird's cage. This is Carlos's cage, parakeet, and now this is Pancho's. He's in the cage right now. His cage is only in here at night, and this is morning. I'm about to take him out. Pancho. Pancho. Hi. Hi. Hi, Pancho. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty big cage. Yeah. And here is their play gym thingy. Yeah, that's it. The first level is like this, has like little thingy, square thingy in the middle. And then here's other ladder thingy that they can use, but they don't usually go down here. And here's the part where they go down. There's like a net here. Here's like a purchase, a toy, a ladder, another toy, and a bell. Hey, Pancho. Come here. Go. There's Pancho on there. Looks to be, that's his favorite spot, and sometimes he can climb here and play with the toys. But I'm planning on, and here's the top, pretty much, and here's like another net thingy, toy. Hey, Pancho. Hi. Pancho's going up there, or he's just gonna play. Oh, but yeah, he's going up. Hi, Pancho. Good boy. Yeah, that's it. This is like their hologram. Yeah. So, bye, Pancho. Okay, that's it. Bye.